Hey, I'm Elizabeth. I'm at home and I'm about to make some Copycat Olive Garden breadsticks. The perfect addition to your Italian feast, and honestly, making breadsticks at home is a super fun activity, so let's get started. You're going to start with a half a cup of warm water in a bowl. Then you're going to dissolve 1.5 teaspoons of sugar and a packet of yeast. Let that stand for about 5 minutes until the yeast softens and you start to see a creamy foam on the top. Then beat together 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of salt, and then the remaining sugar and warm water. Beat this all together until it forms a sticky dough. Turn your dough onto a floured work surface and add more flour if you need to, kneading until smooth and elastic, which should take 6 to 8 minutes. Place your dough in a greased bowl, turning it over to cover it completely with the oil. Cover the bowl with a damp towel and place in a warm area until the dough is doubled in size, which should take about 40 minutes. After your dough has risen the first time, punch it down to release all the air. Then turn it out onto a floured work surface and divide it into pieces. Roll each piece out into a 6-inch long rope and then arrange on a greased baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Cover with a towel or plastic wrap and let these breadsticks rise again for another 25 minutes or until they're doubled in size. Once they've risen again, bake in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, whisk together half a cup of melted butter and half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Brush or spoon this butter mixture over your baked breadsticks, then sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. So now all I need to complete my Olive Garden feast: a basket of breadsticks and a big salad. Comment below what you're gonna serve with these Copycat Olive Garden breadsticks, or if you have any homemade restaurant hacks yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.